Hello, this is Algebra topic 4-2. We're reviewing perimeter area of trapezoids and circles. So a trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has exactly one pair of parallel sides. So this is a base, this is a base, and this is the height. So our formula would be we don't really have a formula, it's just add the sides, S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4. Now if we look at a trapezoid, if we have two identical trapezoids, we've just flipped them upside down, we put them together, we get a parallelogram that has the length of the base 1 plus base 2. So to find the area of a trapezoid, we're going to do base 1 plus base 2. Take that number, multiply it by the height, and then divide by 2. Because we don't want this whole thing, we just want half of it. So let's go ahead and put this to use. Perimeter, we just add all the sides. So 4 plus 5 plus 12 plus 5 gives us 26. Now for our area, we're going to take 4 plus 12, multiply it by 3, and then divide it by 2. So I'm going to put this all into the calculator, open parentheses, 4 plus 12, close it, times 3 divided by 2. And that gives me 24. Let's go ahead and take a look at example number 2. For our perimeter, it's real simple. We just add all of our sides. 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 10 gives us 26. And then our bases here are the parallel sides. So it'll be 10 plus 8 multiplied by the height of 2.5 and divide by 2. So putting that in the calculator again. Parentheses 10 plus 8, close it, times 2.5 divided by 2. And that gives me 22.5. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next page. Now a circle is not a quadrilateral. Okay? A circle is a list of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a center point. It is a list of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a center point. The perimeter of a circle is called its circumference. Why they had to use a different name, I'm not particularly sure. But to find the circumference, we have two formulas. The first one is 2 pi r. This is probably the one that's most well known. But the other one is simpler. It is just pi d, where r is the radius of the circle and d is its diameter. Now the area is pi r squared. And you can just look these up on any formula chart. Let's go ahead and put it to the test. So the circumference and area, we are given the radius. So this would be 2 pi times 3. Which I'm just going to go ahead and do 2 times 3 makes it 6 pi. And your calculator actually has pi. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the 6, and then pi is this blue symbol that's right here. To get to blue, you hit second, and then it's the exponent key. You get 6 pi. We hit enter, and it gives us 18.8495, and this says the nearest tenth, so 18.8. For area, it is pi times the radius, which is 3, squared, which makes 9 pi. And 9 pi is 28.27, which rounds to 28.3. Let's take a look at example number 2. My diameter is 1.2. I want to go ahead and find my radius. So 1.2 divided by 2 means my radius is 0.6. So 2 times 0.6 pi equals 1.2 pi, which gives us 3.769. Well, 3.76 makes that 3.8. And then for area, would be pi times my radius of 0.6 squared. So 0.6 squared pi gives me 1.1. And so now I have circumference and area of a circle. Last page for these notes. This talks about using the ruler of your mathematics chart to measure the radius or diameter and then find the answer. Well, I'm going to go ahead and just use an actual ruler. Going to take, and we want to measure this in centimeters. So if I look at this, this is 2 centimeters. So 2 times pi times my radius is 4 pi, and 4 pi is 12.6. Area would be pi times that squared is also 4 pi, so it's also 12.6. They just happen to be the same because the radius was 2. Let's go ahead and talk about inches. Here, we're given this, and it is 1 and we'll call that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eighths. 1 and 5 eighths, which 1 plus 5 over 8 is 1.625. Or, we can go ahead and use this as a fraction, math, frac. We get 13 eighths. So pi, so 2 times pi times 13 eighths. 2 pi 13 over 8 gives us 10.2. And our area, pi times 13 over 8 squared, is 8.29, which is 8.3. Now just units, these are in centimeters, these are in centimeters squared, these are in inches, and these are in inches squared. And so that is introducing trapezoids and circles for perimeter and area. This again should be very easy. Good luck and have a good day.